Imagine a child getting a scrape at daycare. Panic sets in. But wait, what if there's a prepared emergency kit? This could save the day. If you run a daycare or send your child there, one thing is essential: a child-safe first aid and hygiene kit. It's not optional, it's non-negotiable. Let's break down what this kit must include. First, gloves. They protect everyone during emergencies. Next, hand sanitizer. It keeps the area germ-free and safe. Don't forget disinfectant wipes. These are critical for cleaning surfaces quickly. You also need a digital thermometer. This helps monitor any fever instantly. Saline spray for kids is another must-have. It relieves stuffy noses effectively. Bandages and child-safe pain relief, where permitted, are crucial too. They help comfort and protect injured little ones. Think of how this kit can change a scary situation. With these items, daycare staff can act quickly and confidently. In summary, a child-safe first aid and hygiene kit includes gloves, hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, digital thermometer, saline spray, and bandages. Daycares must prepare now. Emergencies don't wait. Parents, don't hesitate. Ask to see the emergency kit. Stay informed, stay prepared, and subscribe for more child safety tips.